Many have gathered outside the Richard B. Russell Building in Atlanta to protest the recent Supreme Court ruling that upheld President Donald Trump's latest version of a travel ban.
And our civil rights are under attack. What do we do? Stand up, fight back.
In a 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of President Donald Trump's travel ban. The latest version refuses travel from 7 countries entering the United States. Many are majority Muslim. The decision sparked nationwide protests, one of which was organized in Atlanta by Hillary Hawley, an organizer for last year's travel ban demonstration at the Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Hawley says it's important to uplift the voices of those directly affected.
For people who are not Muslim, people who are natural American citizens, to use our privilege and use our space that's guaranteed, it's just to help uplift the voices of those who are directly impacted.
Edward Mitchell, executive director of the Council on American Islamic Relations, Georgia, says this decision is only a setback.
As an American Muslim, I'm obviously disappointed and a little bit disgusted with the Supreme Court ruling, but I'm not depressed and I'm not bowed. I'm not going to slink away. I'm not going to cry. This is not the end of the fight. This was a setback in the struggle against Islamophobia, but this is not the end of the struggle against Islamophobia.
Glory Kalanko, director and founder of Women Watch Africa, says the country is betraying the world because of this decision.
The only place you can come to for safety and you think would sort of to a large extent respect human rights and dignity because you feel it's a democratic government is this country. And now this country is betraying the world.
Near the midterms, Burrell Ellis, political director of the ACLU of Georgia, says it is the vote of the people that matters most moving forward.
Elections matter because the ultimate will of the people is not about how the Supreme Court votes, it's about how we vote. It's time to wake up.
Despite the ruling, Nikinji Green, who came out in solidarity, says the movement now lies in the hands of the people who can push for change.
People need to vote and they need to get out there and protest and make a difference because we're going backwards right now, and it's up to us as a people to unite and fight against this bigotry and oppression.
Even though the Supreme Court has made its decision, activists and those in office are still looking to push forward with action. From the Richard B. Russell Building and United States Courthouse, I'm Kevin Sanchez for Panther Report News.
I say we will do what? Fight back! We will fight back! We will fight back until justice is attained.